If you're selling a product and wondering how to use AWeber to maximize your sales, stay with me because I'll walk you through the essentials fast. Plus, at the end, I'll share a better alternative that gives you more flexibility and features for product sales. First up, AWeber is an email marketing platform designed to help businesses build and nurture their audience. But can it really help you sell products effectively? Let's break it down. AWeber lets you create automated email sequences, which means you can send a series of emails to potential buyers without doing it manually. The automation works, but it's not as advanced as some competitors. You get basic workflows, but if you need complex sales funnels or behavior based triggers, it can feel limiting. Next, you'll need a landing page to collect emails and sell your product. AWeber does have a landing page builder, but it's pretty basic. If you're looking for highly customizable sales pages, you might find yourself frustrated. It works, but platforms like ConvertKit or GetResponse offer better landing page tools for product sales. Now, integrations. AWeber connects with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, but the setup isn't always seamless. If you rely heavily on automation and deep analytics, you might need additional tools to fill in the gaps. Another key factor, deliverability. AWeber does well at keeping emails out of spam folders, which is crucial for getting your offers in front of customers. But their design templates can feel outdated compared to modern drag-and-drop builders. Pricing? AWeber's free plan is solid for beginners, but once you start scaling, it gets pricier compared to other options that offer more features for the same cost. So, should you use AWeber for product sales? It's decent for basic email marketing, but if you need advanced automation, better sales funnel integration, and more customization, there are better options. After testing multiple platforms myself, I've found a better alternative for product sales, one that gives you more automation, better design flexibility, and overall better results. If you want to try it for free and get exclusive benefits, check out the first link in the description.